And today I'm doing a slime smoothie with all of my slime. So Lily's right next to me. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. I can't see the camera. And right here, guys.
She's right there. And so yeah, I'm gonna cut myself real quick. So I have.
Guys, I had a mom shirt on. Any shirt in my
I have 14 slimes that I'm gonna mix into this bowl. I have an activator.
Mix it in the bowl.
Yep. Okay. So we're gonna start with this slime. It's like a little 2-ounce slime. Oh gosh.
So we're gonna start with this one, and this one, and this one.
Yeah.
And then
So
we're gonna do these two.
I don't think I'm gonna add like all of my I'm gonna add all 14 slimes right here, but I'm not gonna add like all of them, like
all of it.
Okay, so this is a jiggly slime.
As you can see. Jinx Wow.
Okay, so stop.
Wow, so good.
And it's very jiggly. Like I put a lot of water in this, and
That's what?
there used to be cloud slime in here, but now there's like sandy slime.
Let me get this off of you.
Jiggly. It's not gonna come off. It's okay. So now we're just gonna plop it in the bowl.
Oh, you gotta take all of it?
So I'm taking all of that slime. Okay. Now is this like orange slime that's really clicky and glossy. I'm not adding all of this slime because so it has little fidget spinner, like 2 little fidget spinner beads in it. One's blue and one's white, but see, there it is. So we're just gonna plop that in there.
Look,
Okay.
so pretty.
Now we're gonna be adding all of this slime. So this actually is clay. It's not. It wasn't made with glue. It's just clay. We got the thing off of Amazon, the slime kit. So yeah. So this is how it looks so far.
Is it gonna be rainbow?
We don't know.
Well, it is gonna be rainbow.
This one? Put it on this side. So I'm not adding all of the slime, but this is the slime that I got off of Instagram. Actually, I think I am going to be adding all of the slime because I don't really like it. But it's a butter slime. No, I'm adding it in the smoothie. And I got it off of Instagram from Snoop Slimes. So yeah, it kind of is dry and stuff. So now we got the container over here. Now this one is the red one. So I'm not adding all of this because I just made this one today, but I'll just do a smell with it. So it has shaving cream and cornstarch in it. Oops.
Oh my gosh.
It's really thick. It's cream cheese slime pretty much. Fluffy cream cheese slime. So just watch the ASMR. Alright, there we go. Lily, stop messing with it. Okay, so now we're going to be adding.
Mommy, what are you making?
Now we're going to add this much.
You're mixing the slime.
Now we're going to do this row. Now this is flown that I also got from Snoop Slimes. It's a 2-ounce container and it's kind of sticky, but I still like the slime, but I'm going to add all of it. That was the clear. Now I'm not adding all of this because this is so beautiful. But it's kind of foggy because I was playing with it.
Oh my god.
Slime is only really clear once. Lily. Okay, don't touch it, okay? So this is what it looks like. I've actually never done a slime smoothie before, so now is this slime that I'm not adding all of that one. There's a lot of rubber bands in it, so yeah. Let's just get those off. So I'll show you the bowl every time I put the slime in there. So. Okay, I'm adding all of this one. I don't know what to call this one, but it's a very tiny slime that I got from the slime smoothie. From the slime kit. Pop that in there. We'll do my cloud cream from So Sweet Slime, and it's called Cloud 9. I'm not adding all of this one. I'll probably add about that much. Pop. I'm not doing a really big slime smoothie today. It's just some of my slime and stuff. Okay. Now, this one is super duper duper thick. Now, this one is the one that my friend gave me. So we're going to be adding all of this one. Well, I do like it, but that's what a slime smoothie is part of. So this is actually a lot of slime, and I keep these little ice cream containers that that my mom gets. She's actually cooking dinner right now, and yeah, she used to get these a lot. So, and I asked her if she could get them to me. So this is the. It's so sad for it to go. Okay. Now.
It looks rainbow. It's so rainbow.
I know. And then this one is like strawberry jam or something. I don't know what to call it. Strawberry jelly. And I made this one yesterday, and it's so clear. It's so clear. I'm not adding all of this one at all. But we'll add that much. And then.
I popped my back.
Oh, wasn't it that one? Oh wait, is that you? Let me move all of this out of there. That is it. So, get down. I feel like this is gonna be like a really bad color. Okay. So the slime I'm not really happy about. So it's just so I'm gonna wash this container out later. Okay. I painted my arm from making slime today for my mom. It's purple. And I made this one yesterday. Sorry, I have to stand up to open it because it's kind of hot. But this one is so nice. Like, it's so thick. I'm not adding all of it though, because I really like that one. So it has a lot of cornstarch in this. Okay, plop that. Oh, how much cornstarch? I don't know, like a lot though. So now we're gonna close that, and now we're gonna mix the slime. So this is what it looks like. Whoa. Wait, let me put it on the table. Oh. Wait. That. I feel like this is gonna be a really ugly slime, or just a really bad texture. Oh my gosh, this slime is huge. I mean, it's kind of hard, but I actually kind of like this texture.
It's like unicorn poop.
Unicorn poop. So it has like rubber bands, blown beads,
Said you wanted this.
and I mean, now I don't have a lot of slime anymore, but that's okay. So we're gonna see what else. This slime is so thick. Like, it's not hard, it's just thick.
The golden boo-boo.
So,
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
as you can tell, that's Mickey Mouse. Well, this is actually kind of pretty. It's really thick. I bet you like this slime because it's not sticky.
Mm-hmm.
It's really weird. It's huge. Like, I'm glad that's not like sticky. I didn't have any sticky slimes to put in there, so
That's cool.
I know. I'm gonna make a slime swirl. So I mixed it all in. This will be good. Yeah, there's rubber bands, foam beads, all kinds of different slimes. Oops. I just wish the rubber bands weren't really in here because I don't like the rubber bands in the slime. I'd like to feel it without the rubber bands. And one time I took rubber bands out of one of my blue slimes. It's actually like this one right here. But I took it out and it took forever. Like I had this like really pink slime that my friend gave me. My friend actually gave me like 3 slimes. So yeah. Actually, you guys know her because she was in my baking videos. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in my kit. So this is the Amazon kit. I already used all the glue and stuff. So we're gonna add some like paints. Oh yeah, I have another slime to add. Ooh. Okay, so this is actually loaded, but she doesn't play with it. So now I get to use some of it for my slime smoothie. Okay, so we're gonna add just a little bit in there. Kind of don't really like this angle, but I just show you guys. Like, okay, I don't know why bags and stuff are in here. Oh yeah, so my activator is the Nickelodeon activator. I'm gonna scent this. I'm gonna scent it apple.
What are you scenting it with?
Apple. Smell the apple. It smells really good. You don't like the smell of that? I think it smells so good. And it also like deactivates. Oh no.
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Stop doing that.
Here, you smell it. So I'm gonna add all of them so that this won't be as hard. This is so hard. Wait, let me add all of them. I'm not adding. Oops. I'm not adding chocolate to it because that was supposed to be bad. But it might smell like slime. Oh my gosh. I swear. Stop. So now we're going to add all of this strawberry to it. It actually smells quite good. And I'm going to add some ink in here. That's what they call it in there, but I don't know. Yeah, see, it gets really sticky. So there's strawberry, apple, candy, and chocolate, but I don't like the smell of chocolate. So let's. It smells like strawberry apple. But it's not deactivating the slime. It's not making the slime sticky. What color should I make this slime? Wait, is there more in here? So I'm just scenting this. I don't really like the smell of this one, but I already started adding it. So it's just gonna be my slime deactivator. Oh yay, we're having spaghetti. You didn't tell me that though.
No, we were gonna have hamburgers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so right now we're gonna call her one.
Oh gosh, I added a lot in here, so this should be a good slime deactivator. Wait, I'm gonna take a tiny piece out. See? Oh gosh, it's getting so sticky already. See? Okay, so I'm just showing you guys that it does get sticky. If you haven't had this kit, it's on Amazon. But I mean, the slime's a little bad after like a day, so actually like 2 days. But so I remember coming home from my mom's, and they were already bad. Okay. So the slime is sticky but still hard. So that makes no sense. Maybe because of the rubber bands. So I'll probably take the rubber bands out later. And I might use this as a slime smoothie in the future if I have more and stuff. And what color should I color this?
I don't know. Maybe pink?
Well, then it's going to turn out red. What color should I...
Should you do what?
What color should I do? There's orange, purple, yellow. There's more. And red. I thought there was blue. So what color should I do? Oh wait, this is blue. No, that's purple.
Can you show me a slime kit?
Huh?
Can you show me a slime kit? See if there's any blue.
There's no more in there.
I'm just gonna look over. Okay, yeah, there isn't.
Well, this looks magenta in the camera. Okay. What color should I do the slime? Orange. I'm gonna do that.
I said pink and you said it was gonna turn out red. I was involved in this, so yeah.
Oh, and Snoop slimes and So Sweet slimes are,
She might be using all of it.
we're giving a shout out. I am, so that turns pretty. It's probably gonna turn like purple or like
A maroon. Could be a maroon.
Wait, let me pick this up.
She might have to use some more.
Oh my gosh. This slime is so heavy. Wait, let me. Okay, so I'm gonna let you. I stuck my hand in red. There's a little pocket. Alright, so yeah, that was the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.
Bye, because I am leaving. Just letting you know. So if you ever check this video, it's great. Bye.
So make sure you share with all your family and friends. And
Bella just got
Yeah.
stuck in it, by the way.
okay, they know.